Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to our product presentation of Elixir Placenta, one of the great products of GFox International. So I'm Mariel Jasmine Monserrat, your Elixir advocate. Let me start with my favorite quote from Thomas A. Edison. So sinabi niya na the doctor of the future will no longer treat the human frame with drugs, but rather will cure and prevent disease with nutrition. He also said that eat your food as your medicines. Otherwise, you will have to eat medicines as your food. So, sinasabi niya lang dito na habang bata pa tayo, kailangan mag-practice na tayo with a healthy lifestyle. Kailangan kumakain tayo ng mga foods na rich in fiber. So, yan, yung mga nutritious foods natin na rich in vitamins and minerals para makaiwas tayo sa iba't ibang klase ng sakit. Instead na pagtanda natin, isaka natin sila iti-treat with synthetic drugs. So, yan. Also, konting overview lang about stem cell. It already lasts for 20 years and it is an accepted treatment na rin sa other countries. So, possible na rin stem cells in the future might be the secret of immortality. So, we have different studies na nagpo-prove talaga na stem cell therapy can be a cure sa iba't ibang klase ng sakit. Ayan. So, konti lang yung history about stem cells. So, stem cells are the fountain of youth. So, it is a vital part of our immune system. Nire-repair niya and nire-regenerate yung mga damaged cells natin. So, nung bata pa tayo, actually, we have plenty of stem cells sa katawan natin. But the older we get, the less stem cells we have. By the age of 35, kalahati na. So, 50% ng stem cells natin, we already lost. And by the age of 60, so senior years, we already lost 90%. So, halos lahat na ng stem cells natin pala is na-loss na natin kapag tumuntong na tayo ng senior years natin. So, if mapapansin din natin, di ba, nung bata pa tayo, mabilis maghilom yung mga sugat natin. Or kapag nabalian tayo, mabilis lang tayong makarecover. Unlike nung tumanda na tayo, bakit parang natatagalan bago maghilom yung mga sugat natin? It is because we have less stem cells. So, the less stem cells we have, the faster we age and the slower we heal. Yan. So, let me introduce to you our Elixir Placenta. So, it is sourced from 5 different countries, namely New Zealand, Germany, Taiwan, South Korea, and Portugal. So, we selected 14 premium ingredients from all over the world to create the best product. So, ano ba yung mga mechanism and ingredients ng ating Elixir Placenta? So, we have stem cell therapy, DNA therapy, and anti-inflammatory therapy. So, isa-isa nating itakal yung mga therapy na yan and its ingredients. Number 1 is our stem cell therapy. So, why did we choose stem cells from deer placenta? According to studies, deer placenta is most similar to human placenta. So, siya yung may pinakamalapit na resemblance sa human placenta or yung tinatawag natin na inunan. So, dito, walang harm na ginawa sa deer during extraction since yung placenta is naturally siyang ini-excrete ng female deer habang nag-give birth. Ayan. So, deer instinctively avoid toxins since nakatira sila sa mga pristine habitat. So, sobrang pure ng tinitirahan nila. And therefore, walang pollution residue and wala ring heavy metals sa body ng deer natin. Yan. So, ano ba yung mga content ng precious deer placenta natin? So, first is our stem cell. We have growth enzyme, vitamins, polysaccharide, and amino acids. Amino acids, familiar tayo, it is the building blocks of protein. So, if you want a supplement na rich in amino acids, we recommend our Elixir Placenta. And its origin is from New Zealand. So, it is among the purest pollution-free bush mountains of New Zealand. So, sobrang pure and sobrang clean talaga ng environment na pinanggalingan ng mga deer natin. Ayan. So, our next ingredient is our patented rhodiola. Its origin is from Germany. So, ang pinakang function niya is it raises oxygen content in the blood. So, it is the fuel to our cells that helps to provide the basic building block that our body needs. So, imagine hindi tayo huminga. Unti-unti nagkakaroon ng organ failure kasi hindi nasusupplyan ng oxygen. ang blood natin. So, if we lack oxygen, hindi makakapag-circulate ng maayos yung blood natin. So, it increases oxygen supplying capacity sa different organs ng body natin. Therefore, it enhances microcirculation. Also, ini-improve niya yung memory and mental performance natin. So, if malilimutin ka, yan, it is a perfect supplement for you. It also lowers blood sugar levels and blood pressure. Yan. So, our next ingredient from stem cell therapies are Angelica sinensis. Its origin is from Taiwan. So, it is deemed as the holy medicine for the blood since it also nourishes the blood and moves the blood. So, same lang din sa first ingredient natin. So, it increases blood circulation, and since we have a total of 14 ingredients, so after niyang ma-absorb sa small intestine natin, yung Angelica sinensis, siya yung tumutulong para effectively matransport yung mga different ingredients directly papunta sa mga cells natin. So, it also reduces menopausal symptoms like hot flushes, night sweats, at ini-improve niya rin yung sleep quality natin. And for the male, it improves premature ejaculation. Ayan. So, moving on, let's tackle naman our DNA therapy. So, our first ingredient is grape and olive extract, which is the source ng telomerase natin. So, according to Harvard study, once telomeres are depleted, DNA cells start aging. So, as you can see sa picture, yung pa-letter X, that's what we call chromosome. And then, yung cap na color green, that's our telomere. So, yung telomerase, which is a type of enzyme na makukuha natin sa grape and olive extract, ini-inhibit niya or ini-stop niya yung pag-shorten or pagka-deplete ng mga telomeres natin. Which is yun yung nagiging reason bakit nagsistart mag-age yung cells natin and nagiging cause kung bakit tayo nagkakasakit. So, ini-inhibit niya yung infectious growth, meron din siyang antiviral and antimicrobial effect. And ini-improve niya rin yung collagen levels and bone strength natin. Ayan. So, next ingredient is our NMN or nicotinamide mononucleotide. So, it stabilizes DNA sequence and improves symptoms of DNA disorder. So, dito, pine-prevent niya na mag-progress pa yung mga sakit. Example, di ba? Meron tayong mga sakit na namamana. So, that's what we call DNA disorder or yung mga genetic disorder like heart disease, high blood pressure, Alzheimer's, diabetes. So, yun yung mga usually na namamana natin na sakit. So, dito, pine-prevent niya na mag-progress pa yung sakit sa atin. And possible, sa mga magiging anak natin is hindi na nila mamana pa yung sakit na yun. So, it also reduces the risk of heart disease and improves fitness and muscle endurance. Ayan. So, our next ingredient po is D-ribose. So, its main function is it provides extra energy sa heart natin. So, if mapapansin natin, habang tumatanda tayo, mas mabilis na tayong mapagod or mahingal. So, konting lakad lang, di ba? Hinahapon na tayo, hinihingal na tayo. So, dito, D-ribose, it provides extra energy sa heart natin during exercise. So, it also prevents muscle fatigue. And, yan. So, its role is carrying in the cells. Ayan. So, next ingredient is our medium-chain triglycerides. So, it rapidly oxidize and decompose to form ketone bodies which provide energy for cells. So, nagpo-provide din siya ng energy sa cells natin. So, also for better brain and memory functions. And lastly, our anti-inflammatory therapy. Ayan. So, our first ingredient is patented fermented red ginseng, which is very popular sa South Korea. So, ano bang meron sa red ginseng natin? It is high in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Nire-regulate niya and nilo-lower niya yung blood sugar levels natin. And it also has proven benefits for some cancers. Ayan. So, pinapalakas niya rin yung immune system natin. It also enhances brain functions, and for the male, it improves symptoms of erectile dysfunction. So, ayan po ang mga function ng ating red ginseng. And also, patented yung mga ingredients natin dito. So, yung mga ingredients natin dito is dito lang talaga sa GFOX Elixir Placenta makukuha. Ayan. So, our next ingredient is squalene. So, its origin is from Portugal. it is found in the livers of large sharks. So usually, di ba, nakatira sila sa deep sea. So low pollution tayo doon. So sobrang pure talaga and clean ng mga pinanggagalingan ng ingredients or materials ng ating product. So squalene also is high in antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. So ginagamit din siya na pang-treat sa leukemia, which is a type of cancer. It prevents radiation illness from cancer X-ray therapy. Also, it prevents common cold, flu, and swine flu. So, ayan. After explaining, so nakamove on na tayo sa mga ingredients ng ating Elixir Placenta. So, explain ko naman po sa inyo yung 5 special technologies ng ating Elixir Placenta. So, ano ba ang meron sa 5 special technologies natin? So, number 1 is our antioxidant preservation technology. So, dito, it keeps the 14 premium ingredients active. So, hindi lang tayo basta mailagay lang yung mga ingredients, okay na. We want to preserve the ingredients dahil nandun yung efficacy ng product natin. So, yan. Number 2 is our special homogenization technology. So, dito, this will help para hindi siya masyadong sticky, hindi siya malabnaw because of the powder and oily ingredients. Dapat ideal yung proportion nila. And number 3, we have seamless soft gel technology. So, dito naman, para paglunok natin, hindi siya masyadong mahirap inumin. Mabilis lang siyang lunukin, unlike other capsules na nararamdaman mo talaga. Number 4 is our anti-stick enteric coating. So, dito hindi basta nade-degrade ng gastric environment, especially sa stomach, because we want na makarating yung capsule natin sa small intestine. So, hindi siya basta natutunaw sa stomach. Since sa small intestine siya dapat ma-absorb yung mga nutrients or yung mga ingredients ng ating Elixir Placenta para mas makuha natin yung optimum benefit ng product natin. So, number 5 is our nitrogen injection live capsule. So, it is to prevent oxidation ng ating ingredients. So, overall, it maintains the activity of ingredients and improve the absorption of body. So, ito naman yung sa packaging natin. So, yung bottle natin ng Elixir Placenta, we have this parafilm, exclusive nitrogen injection technology and parafilm. It is to isolate from oxygen and moisture yung capsule natin ng Elixir, and also to maintain the activity of raw materials. So, ito yung parafilm. Make sure lang na after natin kumuha ng capsule is i-close natin yung parafilm para ma-keep yung ingredients natin at its freshest condition. And also, iwas lang din natin sa direct sunlight yung bottle natin ng Elixir. Ayan. So, in addition to stem cell therapy, GFox Clear Placenta is different from other brands in terms of carefully selected raw material sources, traceable raw materials, and unique formula design. So, we also have more DNA therapy and anti-inflammatory therapy. So, yung dosage form natin, we have 5 special technologies inside and out. So, yun na yung na-explain ko earlier. Number 3, yung bottle design natin, it's unique and tailor-made. And we have this nitrogen gas injection sealing technology which keeps the products in their freshest condition. Yan. So, high quality rin and handmade yung packaging natin. So, carefully selected with imported material plus luxurious bronzing. So, we have strictly controlled quality and we ensure na yung texture reaches top level. And also, to provide every customer a wonderful life without diseases, pain, and aging. So, here are the beneficiary testimonials of our Elixir Placenta. Sila po yung nakapag-take na and nagbigay ng positive feedback about our product. So, number 1 is si Miss Pearl. Ang case niya po is cancer survivor, papillary thyroid carcinoma, and recently na-diagnosed with multiple fibroids. So, here's her ultrasound report. And ito yung na-experience niya. So, she has long menstrual period with heavy flow for 7 days. Yan. So, hindi siya normal kasi usually 3 days lang tapos na yung menstrual period natin. So, cramps on her lower extremities, numbness and pain in her hands. So, meron din siyang terrible acne and sobra din siyang mag-hair fall. Difficulty in holding her bladder. So, meron din siyang abdominal bloating. Yan. So, meron din siyang presence of fibroid on her lower left abdomen. So, ito yung before na picture niya and after a week, Ayan. So, lesser na yung mga pain niya. Muscle cramps, frozen shoulder, lesser pain na rin sa varicose, hand numbness, and back pain. And yung acne niya, as you can see sa picture, nagda-dry na siya ng easily. So, mas mabilis na mag-dry yung acne niya. Less na rin yung hair fall. So, ayan, kumakapal na yung buhok niya. Still feel bloated and can still palpitate the fibroids. So, on the second week, wala nang back pain. Wala na ring frozen shoulder. Yung buhok niya is getting thicker. So, wala na ring muscle cramps. Bloated abdomen is getting smaller. So, tolerable na rin yung pain niya and hand numbness. And, yun, as I've mentioned earlier, acne gets dry easily. And ito pa, so yung menstruation niya is na-normalize na into 3 days. So, before 7 days. Ngayon, 3 days na lang. Ayan. So, next, on the third week, so most of her listed concerns na-address na. And numbness in hands seldom occur. So, nakakatulog na siya ng mas maayos and mas feeling energized na siya. Yung abdomen niya, so naging flat na. And she can still feel the fibroid. On the fourth week, noticeable na yung hair growth niya. Hindi na siya feeling bloated. Ayan, so abdominal contractions are not painful, hindi na masakit. And no pain na rin during intercourse and she feels satisfied. Ayan. So, on the fifth week, glowing na yung skin ni Miss Pearl. Yan, wala na siyang acne, hindi na rin siya masyadong umiihi or nag-urinate at night. So, she can still palpitate the fibroids. And on the 6th, 7th, and 8th week, so numbness reduced, wala nang pain, wala nang heavy menstrual period, and kapag nakikita siya ng mga tao, sinasabi daw nila na parang wala ka namang sakit ah. So yan, sobrang laking improvement talaga kay Miss Pearl since nag-take siya ng Elixir Placenta. So our next case is si Miss April. So ang case niya naman is vasculitis, which is a type of an autoimmune disease. So ito, nagkaka-rashes siya sa legs. Itchiness and redness on her legs below the knees. So hindi rin siya makatulog ng maayos, mabilis siyang mapagod, meron siyang headache, back pain, muscle pain, joint pain. So almost buong katawan niya talaga is sumasakit. So meron din siyang hair fall and dry skin. Ayan, so after taking Elixir, on first week, so first 2 days, same no difference. Pero nagkaroon siya ng good quality of sleep, so nakakatulog na siya ng maayos. Lesser na rin yung back pain niya, and also she feels energetic. Ayan. So week 1, week 2, from dry skin to hydrated skin na. Ayan. So she feels stronger. Less na rin yung headache niya. Wala nang lagnat, wala nang bagong rashes na nag-appear sa legs niya, and lesser na rin yung hair fall niya. So, ito na si Miss April after 3rd week of taking Elixir. So, nakakagawa na siya ng magagawaing bahay. She can do laundry. She gains self-confidence. And, ayan, mas nakakapaglaro na siya kasama yung mga anak niya. So, more time to play with kids. Feels no pain and wala nang rashes talaga since nag-start siya mag-take ng Elixir. And so before and after, as you can see on the 4th week, still no rashes. Glowing na yung skin niya, nakakatulog na siya ng maayos, and walang episode ng headache. So, ayan. Since merong anti-inflammatory properties kasi ang ating Elixir Placenta, kaya nawawala yung mga rashes ni Miss April. Ayan, so ito yung picture niya, sobrang glowing na talaga ni Miss April. So, our next case is si Tito Sammy. So, brain tumor naman yun sa kanya. Ito yung mga na-experience niya. Meron siyang severe headache, frequent seizures every 5 seconds that last for 30 seconds. So, play natin yung video niya later. He can't barely move. So, hindi siya makagalaw talaga. Malilimutin na rin siya and hindi siya makarecognize ng mga faces and names ng mga nakakausap niya. So, minsan may nakikita na rin siya ng mga bagay na hindi natin nakikita. So, meaning naghahallucinate na siya. So, ito yung medical abstract niya and let's watch his video. Ayan, so sobra talaga siyang mag-seizure every 5 seconds. Sobrang nakakapagod and yun, nakakapagod ng situation ni Tito Sammy. Yan, so ito na si Tito Sammy after taking Elixir. So after a week, responsive na siya at nakaka-recognize na siya ng mga faces and names. So, hindi na siya nag-hallucinate. Yung lower extremities niya, getting stronger. And yung gap ng seizure niya, so na-lengthen na. 45 minutes na lang before every 5 seconds. So, play natin tong video ni Tito Sam.
Anak, baka naman niloko mo ako, Daddy. Itaas mo yung isa mong paa. Ito. Ay! Itaas mo pa, Daddy. Wow!
Ayan, so before kasi is hindi niya talaga magalaw yung left side ng katawan niya. But now, ayan, so kita naman sa video na nagalaw niya na yung lower extremities niya daw kasi is getting stronger na. Ayan. So, on the second week, he was able to move his head. Responsive na rin siya. Kaya niya nang sabihin kung ano yung gusto niya. On the third week, stronger na yung upper body niya. Nakakaupo na siya with assistance. Hindi na rin siya nahihilo. And on the fourth week, so long gap na yung seizure. Nakakagalaw na siya sa side ng walang assistance. At nakakaupo na siya ng mas matagal. And according to his wife, nag-increase na rin yung sexual drive ni Tito Sammy. Yan. Sobrang laking improvement kay Tito Sammy nito. And on the fifth week, he can be able to sit with hand assistance. He can be able to move a bit of his left arm. And on July 27, 2022, ayan, ito na si Tito Sammy. So, nakaka-hangout na siya with friends. He can sit without assistance, na may improvement na rin yung left arm niya. Wala na totally, wala nang seizure. And nakakapagsalita na siya ng diretso. Ayan. So, next case natin is si Lola Esther, pre-diabetic carpal tunnel syndrome, plantar fascia, and signs of aging. So, ito siya. On the first week, may nakita na siyang improvement sa paa niya. So, lesser na yung pain. Knee pains are seldom felt. And ito pa, kapag kumakain siya ng mga bawal na pagkain for diabetes, hindi na tumataas pa. So, 130 yung sugar level niya. So, on the second week, yan, lesser na yung pain sa limbs niya. Na-surprise siya na hindi na niya, she can smell body odor. So, lesser gum bleeding, and she feels more energetic at hindi na rin siya mabilis mapagod. Yan. So, third week and fourth week, clear skin, yung gums niya hindi na nagbe-bleed. Ayan. At ito, nakakatakbo na siya sa treadmill for 30 minutes nang hindi siya napapagod. Ayan. So, stronger na yung joints and bones niya. Before, nakaka-feel pa siya ng pain sa lower back niya. Pero ngayon, no pain at all. So, yan. Sclera yung sa mata niya was yellowish before, but now it's whiter. So, on the week 5 to 7, nakakatulog na siya ng maayos. Yung buhok niya nagtuturn na ng brown and fewer na. So, konti na lang yung white hair na lumalabas. Ayan. So, kumakapal na rin yung buhok niya and clearer and smoother skin na rin si Lola Esther. So, our next case naman po is si Miss Jeline. So, medyo severe din yung case niya. Stage 3 endometrial cancer. Ito yung picture niya. So, nakikita naman natin sa picture niya na para na rin siyang lantang gulay talaga. So, ito yung mga na-experience niya. Vertigo, swollen feet, recurring edema for 2 months. Sobrang hina niya na hindi na siya makalakad, hindi na siya makatayo ng matagal. Dry yung skin niya and minimal na rin yung urine output. So, ito na siya. Day 5 pa lang that time pag-take ng elixir. So, on the first week, nawala na yung sakit niya na parang tumutusok na karayom sa mga buto niya. So, feeling lighter and stronger na rin siya. And ito, yung before na picture niya, sobrang namamalas yung paa niya. But now, it's back to normal. Yan, recurring edema for 2 months. Now, feet is not swollen. Di na siya nakaka-experience ng vertigo. Improve na yung urine output niya. Energized. So, she feels energized. At mas nakakalakad na siya ng matagal na hindi siya napapagod. Ayan, nakakatulog na rin siya ng maayos and yung skin niya is getting smoother and no dry skin. So, ito, she's preparing for her scheduled chemotherapy kaya in-increase na niya yung dosage na to 4 capsules a day. So, ito na siya. Walang lagnat o feeling tinatrangkaso. Ayan, di pa naman naglalagas buhok niya so normal pa. Ayan, so 2 weeks before chemo, yan, nag-take na siya ng 4 capsules. So, our next case po is si Tatay Junicio. Ang case niya po is stroke and prostatitis. Ito yung mga na-experience niya. So, he has behavioral changes. Hindi siya nakaka-recognize ng mga tao. Hirap din siyang gumalaw at maglakad, and mostly nasa kama lang talaga siya at hindi siya nakakapag-respond ng maayos. So ito yung sonographic report niya. And on the first week, so 3 days after taking elixir, yung urine niya is nag-turn ng brownish. So merong pus discharges and foul smell. So possible yung mga toxins niya sa katawan is na-release na after niya mag-take ng elixir. So nakakapag-respond na siya sa questions and he was able to recognize. So on the second week, nakakaupo na siya with assistance, inom na siya sa glass of water, and his face lightens up. On the third week, nag-increase na yung physical strength niya, nagkaroon na siya ng ganang kumain, yan, so kumakain na siya ng Skyflakes, and nakakapag-respond na siya actively. Yan, so week 4 and week 5, urine turns dark yellow with pus but less foul smell. So, yon. Doesn't feel any pain and very responsive na rin si Tatay Junicio. So, another case po is si Nanay Ligaya. So, she's a stroke patient. Before, she was unable to walk. Less responsive na rin siya dahil sobrang daming sakit na rin yung nararamdaman niya. Most of the time, bed rest lang din siya, or if hindi naman, is naka-wheelchair na lang. So, after taking elixir, she was able to sit down and make little steps. And ngayon, nakakalakad na siya with a cane or chair. So, she has more energy than before. So, ito, watch natin yung video ni Nanay Ligaya.
Ito. Lakad. Yan, hindi ka ganda. Yan, nalakad na yung aking iniligsan, ha? Lalakad nga ito. Ang galing na, Dati, hindi ito nakakatayo sa wheelchair. Ngayon, lumalakad na after 2. May 2 linggo naman, dito, wala pa. 2 weeks na nainom na elixir placenta.
Yan. So, yan. Ang next case po natin is si Ma'am Norma. So, stage 4 colon cancer. So, before, she stays in bed most of the time. And she looks very weak. So, sobrang hina niya. Madalas nakahiga na lang talaga siya sa kama. And hindi siya nag-chemotherapy, and she experienced a lot of body pains. But she stopped taking pain relievers kasi she feels better with elixir. So nakakalakad na rin siya, nakakaupo na siya sa labas ng bahay nila, and she feels energized. So ito, nakakalabas na po ng bahay, hindi yung nakahiga lang maghapon. So ayan ang case ni Ma'am Norma. So those are the beneficiary testimonials of our elixir placenta. Hopefully, after mapanood mo ang product presentation na ito, ay matulungan ka rin ng aming product. And please share this to anyone na you think kailangan din at matutulungan din ang product na ito. So, thank you so much. And again, this is Maril Jasmine Monserrat, your Elixir Advocate.
I am Mrs. Esther Reyes from Fairview, Quezon City. I am a retired teacher. I am 74 years old.
Hi everyone, ako si April Famini, 32 years old. I am a mom of 2 and I'm also married with my husband.
Mary Pearl Poblete, 45 years old. Cancer survivor for 11 years na.
Hindi talaga ako healthy. Marami akong concerns. Number 1, meron akong pre-diabetic. No? Number 2, I have plantar fascia. Yung paa ko talaga, minsan hindi ako makalakad ng maayos. Meron akong carpal tunnel. At saka yung ang knees ko talagang, my joints, my knees, lahat masakit, no? Meron akong neck pain, ang nerves dito, yan ang kinatakot ko noon eh. Kasi sinabi nila, yung nerves, umaakyat yung numbness ba. And napagsabihan ako na pag yan ay umakyat sa ulo, well, that will be fatal, no?
I was diagnosed with vasculitis last year, January 2021. And that is also the time na pregnant ako. I was 5 months pregnant when it was diagnosed. I've experienced a lot of pain. Physically, emotionally, mentally, and even my spiritual health is affected. May mga time na hindi ako nakakatulog. Kahit nakapikit ako. Ayan. Kasi andun yung thinking na, what if ganito? What if kailangan ko nang mag-undergo ng mga something very hard procedure? Yes, overthinking. Kasi I'm a mom. I'm worried kasi baka affected si baby. I'm worried baka hindi ko matuloy yung pregnancy ko. And I was so tired because of the pain.
2018 may nakapa ako. Nabukol dito sa lower abdomen ko. Right, lower right. Multiple large intramural fibrosis. So, ang dami ko ng concerns, ang dami ko masakit sa katawan, sa paa, naglalabasan yung varicose veins ko, yung numbness ko na tuwing hating gabi, ginigising ako. Ay, Lord, wala na yata parang patay na yung mga kamay ko. Grabe yung menstrual flow ko. As in, sobrang ayaw mong lumabas ng bahay kasi talagang buo-buo. Kumbaga, tatagusan ka.
Diabetes ay ranging from, 110, minsan nagwa 130. Ay, ang alam ko, ang normal ng pre-diabetes is 110 to 120 lang, ganyan, no? Lalo na pagkatapos yung kumain, nag-spike up yan to 170, ganyan, 180. So that is parang alarming yun, ano? Parang kakatakot ng diabetes, ano? Sisirain niya lahat ng organs mo once diabetic ka na. On the first week, na pag-take ko ng Elixir, I took the Elixir 1 in the morning and 1 before bedtime. Pag after yung sugar level ko, nagre-range na lang ng 115, 120, yan, naglalaro siyang ganyan. At ang nakakatuwa, pagka kumain ako ng bawal sa diabetes, para mag-spike ang sugar mo, hindi siya tumataas ng 170. Tumaas lang siya ng hanggang 130, 135.
Before po ako mag-take ng Elixir Placenta, I have two large rashes. And then, after po ako mag-take ng Elixir Placenta, I think it was like the 5th day na nawala siya. And then after that, up until now, I think I'm on my 86th day right now. And hindi po siya lumabas all throughout my journey sa Elixir Placenta. Wala pong signs of inflammation. And yun din po yung sinasabi ng doctor ko. If there's no rashes, it means the inflammation is low. And that's a good news for me.
Yung first week ko, napapansin ko na yung back pain ko nare-reduce. Sabi ko ganun, at parang okay na yung back ko, Lord. Sabi ko ganun. Parang, tapos yung frozen shoulder ko na hindi ko maitaas. Alam mo yun yung pag, igaganon mo pa. Pero ngayon, Lord, at parang, ang galing-galing niyo. Sabi ko ganun. Dito kasi ako sa right na may frozen shoulder. Siyempre, ang sakit-sakit. Yung tipong pag magsusuklay ka, hindi mo maiangat. Ganun. Tapos, nawawala. Sabi ko ganun. And then, hindi na rin ako ganun kapagod. Sabi ko, galing nito, Lord, parang 1 week pa lang. Tapos, ganyan na yung effect. So, tapos, yung hair fall ko, napapansin ko na tinutubuan ako ng hairlines, ganun. And then, pag nagkaka-pimples, after 2 days, nagda-dry, yung pimples ko pa man din pag tinutubuan, ang lalaki, cystic, talagang, naku, makita nyo lang yung before. Ay, nako, hindi ka lalabas ng bahay. Ayaw mo lumabas kasi ang dami mo nang tigidig, tapos laki-laki pa ng tiyan mo. 3 months na akong nagtitake ng Elixir. Almost all my concerns, wala na. Yung bloated stomach ko, wala na. Ang galing-galing lang ni Lord, di ba? Nakakarampa na ako. Kaya, sobrang proud ako na ang galing-galing lang ng ng CEO natin na nagdala nito na naisip niya na in a capsule ilagay yung stem cell na yung mayayaman lang dapat ang may kaya pero pwede na nating i-intake. Kaya saan pa tayo, 'di ba? Parang Lord, andyan na. Parang hindi na natin kailangan pumunta ng ibang bansa para magpa-inject ng stem cell kasi GFAX lang, ayan na, bili na lang tayo, di ba? Nandito ako kasi ako yung life testimony, living testimony ng product.
Dapat nakatatlong puti paitim na ako ng buhok. Pero hindi eh. Yung aking buhok na puti, nagma-brown. I don't know kung kita niyo yung brown na buhok. Kita niyo. Yung puti, may lumalabas na puti. Then later on, parang nagiging brown na din siya. Ay, naku, Diyos ko, 1,001%. Very, very effective. At mag-take na lahat ng may sakit. Mag-take na. At talagang may promise ng success of recovery sa Elixir. GFAX Elixir Placenta.
Laundry ko, umaabot siya ng 3 days. Pero ngayon, 1 day na lang, kinakaya ko na. Dahil malakas na ako, hindi na masyado yung pain. As in, wala na minsan. Kaya nakakaya ko na maglaba. The most priceless. Nabubuhat ko na yung anak ko. 15 kilo siya. Nabubuhat ko na siya ng matagal. Nakakapaglaro na ako with them. Na hindi ko nagagawa dati kasi lalagay ko lang yung anak ko sa crib kasi hindi ko siya kayang buhatin. Hihingalin ako kapag binuhat ko siya. We are the living proof na sobrang effective ng product na ito.
Pag hindi pa kayo gumamit ng Elixir ngayon, you are missing 1/2 of your life.
Sabi nga nila, di ba, na let your food be your medicine. Di ba? Hindi yung your medicine will be your food. So, habang wala pang complications sa katawan, wala pang sakit, prevention is better than cure, di ba? And then, sa mga may sakit, wag ding mabahala o mag-alala kasi nakita niyo naman yung ebidensya sa amin. Talagang araw-araw binabago kami ng Elixir. Kaya subukan niyo.